Okay, so this is the loft setup that I've got going on. It's basically spare parts that have made their way through the studio downstairs and now they live up here. But most of it works, and I've got it set up so I can do stuff up here as well, but not quite as much stuff. I'll just take you through what's in here then. There's loads of just old tape machines of various types knocking around all over the floor, loads of Tandberg 15s. It's a bit of a graveyard rather than a retirement home, this bit. But yeah, basically a pulse generator for clicks. There's a mixer there by Simmons. That's a modern bit of kit that was lent to me by a friend. This is an old telephone exchange oscillator, which I need to fix. This is a Cronenheit bandpass filter with high and low filters there. A really old valve oscillator, which again, I'm frightened to power up, but I do need to fix. A Hewlett-Packard data generator, a couple of big valve oscillators down here, a noise generator. This is actually a film prop, I'll explain that in a minute. Two very heavy ferrograph tape recorders here, which are lovely. They just feel great to use. They're really sort of solid, and these run at 7.5 or 3.75 inches a second. The rewind speed on them is absolutely terrifying as well, but I use them to obviously do tape editing on and playback. Film prop again, just various oscillators really here. There's a Brulin filter, which is very nice, good filter, very heavy again. Yeah, just oscillators really there. Another very old oscillator from 1948, I believe this one. And this is another film prop. The film props I bought all at once because I wanted some boxes to put my live setup in, and I thought they'd be good to gut out and put new dials on the front, but I just like the look of them now. Don't know what film they're in, but they were sold as that. I think they're actually from the 1960s or so, based on the wood they've used and the sort of glue and things. So they're interesting as a unusual collection of objects. I don't have the heart to tear them apart. So yeah, everything on this side is patched into this little passive mixer, which then goes into the bigger mixer. These two go straight into that mixer as well, where I can, route effects in and out. I tend to bring guitar pedals up here when I'm composing things up here. But yeah, it's fully functional, and it's very, very cold as well. But yeah, if there's ever a real disaster in the downstairs room for any reason, a flood on the second floor, I don't know, I can come up here and I'll be absolutely fine. And I've also got my treasured BBC sound effects record there on the wall. Alright, get out.